This is the final video on the topic dictionaries. So what do we do in our last video for the week? That's right, we are going to do an assignment. Dictionary is a super interesting topic, so the assignment is also going to be fun. You will have a fantastic time when you write the code for it. So this is the assignment for this week. Your teacher has assigned you a task to track all the subjects and the number of chapters they have completed in each subject. Okay, so every time we finish a chapter, we are going to update the value. Okay, so we are going to create a dictionary for the subject and the chapters completed. First, she is asking you to add the following subjects and chapters: English 18, Maths 20, Science 18, History 14, Political Science 6. So, can you create a dictionary with the name of the subjects and the chapters in it? Very easy, correct? Alright. The second task she tells you is to remove political science from the record. So, can you write a statement to pop the subject from the dictionary? Yes, you can. Again, very easy. Third task, she tells you to update the number of chapters for science to 21 instead of 18. Yeah, this is again very easy. We can use the add or update syntax to update the value for science. Finally, she also asks you to add geography with 14 chapters. Alright, so you're going to add the key geography with the value 14. So, we have 4 simple and easy peasy tasks to do in the assignment. So, can you write the code for the 4 tasks in this assignment? Please write the code and submit the assignment, and we are very excited to see your code. As always, if you have questions on this assignment, you can comment below or call or email us. See you in the 4th week of codePannu's level 2 course very soon. See you then. Bye bye.